Yeah, what the hell?
Hurts, doesn't it? That's me every morning.
Oh!
The Pillow Buzzer by BrainQuake shakes only your head. No sound, no drama. Vibration beats noise for deep sleepers.
You heard the man. Order it.
It's like $120. I'm not buying that.
Oh yeah? And how much would your medical copay be if you don't?
Shut up. Got it.
Pillow Buzzer. We keep shit quiet.